Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect MT4 or MT5 to TradingView. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up the TradingView website on your browser. Over here, click on the brokers panel at the top of the screen. After that, you will see a list of all the available brokers. But one thing that you need to know is that it is written on their website that MT4 and MT5 accounts cannot be used for direct trading on TradingView. So what you can do instead is that open an account to create a TradingView compatible broker account. After that, follow the instructions to set up your account and start trading with one of the supported brokers. So that's basically how you can connect MT4 MT5 to TradingView. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.